how to add chapters to YouTube video like that. So as you can see here, we have chapters on my YouTube video. So first thing you need to do is go to YouTube Studio, go to content, go to the video that you want to add chapters on it. For example, I will choose one of these video. For example, I don't know, for example, this one. Okay, so here we don't have chapters. Okay, so we can add chapters on the description, of course. For example, I will type here chapters, and right now I will open my video and I will see where the intro is start and ending, etc. Okay, so for example, I think the intro is started from 0 second to 10 second. Okay, so I type here 0 double, okay, and I will type here intro, and we say the intro is finished on 10 seconds. So here I will type 0 2 point, sorry, and here I will type, for example, 10, sorry, again 10 seconds, and here, for example, MSI player installation, for example. So I just copy paste to make the video is shorted. So I will type here MSI install, okay, and for example, my video is after installation of this, for example, Momo player or MSI player. I explain something about settings here. So it's 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So here I will type 0, or sorry, yes, 0 4 40 minutes, and I will type best settings for MSI up there. Okay, so you need to check your video to know the chapters, titles, and duration. And I will click right now save, and right now I will refresh the page. And right now, as you can see here, we add chapters to our video, the intro, MSI App Player installation or installation steps, and on the end we explain about best settings for MSI App Player. So this is how to add chapters to YouTube video. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share with the video with your friends. Thank you.